In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Drive storage plan. If you've been paying for extra Google Drive space through Google One and you're ready to stop, I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few helpful tips so you know what to expect afterward. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google One. Click the official Google One result to open the site. Once you're on the homepage, sign in with the Google account that's currently on the storage plan. If you use more than one Google account, double check you're signing in with the right one so you're managing the correct membership. After you're signed in, head to the settings area and look for Manage Membership. This is where your current plan, billing details, and membership controls live. Click Manage Membership to open your options. Before you fully cancel, consider whether you just want less storage rather than no plan at all. If that sounds right, choose the option to change your plan and downgrade. Downgrading reduces your monthly cost and total storage, but keeps your Google One benefits active. Typically, any change you make here takes effect on your next billing date, so your current plan usually stays active until the end of the period you've already paid for. If you truly want to stop paying for storage altogether, choose Cancel Membership. When you click this, Google may show a summary of what you'll lose and could ask for a quick reason. Continue through the prompts, then click Cancel Membership again to confirm. That second confirmation is important. It finalizes the cancellation. After you cancel, you usually keep your current plan benefits until the end of your billing cycle. Once that period ends, your account reverts to the free 15 gigabytes shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Your files aren't deleted automatically, but if your content is over the free limit, certain actions pause. For example, you might not be able to add new Drive files, receive new emails, or backup photos until you clear space or resubscribe. A smart move is to visit Google's Storage Manager to review large files, old emails with big attachments, and photos or videos you no longer need. If you share storage with a family group, canceling ends shared benefits for everyone in that group at the end of the current period. And if you prefer using a phone, you can do the same steps in the Google One app on Android or iOS. That's it. You've signed in, managed your membership, considered a downgrade, and confirmed the cancellation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently wrap up your Google Drive storage plan.